Hi guys, welcome to another video on Know It Now, and on this video I'm going to be showing you guys the best way to boost audiomack plays, and we're going to be using growbetter.net. All you have to do is go to any of your search browser and search www.growbetter.net. Once you search it, this is how the website is going to display. As a first timer, this is how the website is going to display. Growbetter.net is a website where you boost all your social media like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Telegram, Twitter, Spotify, audiomack, and other social media apps. And on this website, you can boost your services like followers, subscribers, comments, shares, and other services on this website. First thing first, you have to have an account with growbetter.net before you can make any order on the website. If you don't have an account, all you have to do is click on sign up, follow the few steps you'll be shown to create an account with growbetter.net. It is very easy and simple. On my previous videos, I've shown and explained how to sign up on this website, growbetter.net. But if you want me to drop a specific video concerning how to sign up on growbetter.net, all I have to do is go to the comment section, drop a comment. I should create a video concerning how to sign up, and I'm going to do just that. I have an account already, right? All I have to do is input my details and sign in. Once you're signing, it will bring you to this page. This is how the website looks like on the inside. Once you are signed in, this is how it looks. And on growbetter.net, it's not free getting any service. Before you get any service on this website, first thing first, you have to have an account with growbetter.net. The second thing is you have to have fund on your account before you can make any order on this website. Note, it is not free. You have to fund your account before you can make any order on the website. And as I said, I'm going to be showing you guys the best way to boost audiomack plays. Under category, you click on this arrow. You see audiomack services right there. You click on it. Under service, you click on this arrow. There are varieties of services there under that service. As you can see, there's audiomack followers, audiomack play, audiomack streams, audiomack stream UK, Canada, France, Germany, Nigeria, Ghana, Egypt, and South Africa. But as I said earlier, we are doing audiomack plays, right? And it's the first one under that service there. You click on it. Coming down under this link and quantity, on this link you have to input the song link you want to get plays for. And under this quantity, you have to input the amount of plays you want to get. I've copied my link before the start of this video. All I have to do is input my link. But if you want me to drop a specific video concerning how to copy song link, all you have to do is drop a comment on the comment section, and I'm going to do just that. Under quantity, I'm going to be inputting 1000. That's the amount of plays I want to get for this particular song. Once you fill in your correct song link and the quantity of plays you want to get, all you have to do is come down here and click on submit. Once you click on submit, you see a notification that your order has been received, and it is that simple and easy to boost your audiomack plays. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more relatable videos like this. And if it's your first time coming across Know It Now, all you have to do is kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification for more videos, like to be notified anytime we post a new video, right? And if you have subscribed to this channel, don't forget to kindly like, share, and drop a comment. Thank you, and remain blessed.